Go sit in the seat.
Good prices.
Yeah.
Oh, you might not want it to blow. You're gonna have to go back.
Okay, don't blow them out. I'll blow them out.
Maybe or you get up, move the cans over, you know. No, I'm just thinking people might not want it.
Germ. But I mean, that's free immunization right there.
What?
Free immunization. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christian. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You're officially 5.
He did.
5 years old.
Ooh.
Oh.
I want a picture too.
B5, huh?
I want a picture.